Hey everyone, आज की वीडियो में we're gonna see how to change the note to the Teer. As आपको पता है, the Canadian government has updated their no code system और अब वो Teers में change हो गया है, so सबको email आई है to update their applications. So we're gonna go ahead and see how to do that. So in order to do that, पहले CIC की profile में login करना है. Then you're just gonna go to your submitted profile for Expressentry. Then you're gonna click on view your profile. Once you click on the view your profile, as you can see नीचे नज़र आ रहा है work history in progress. So उधर हम continue पे click करेंगे. Once it opens up, now you can see कि ये primary occupations 5-digit no code marker, which is the new system, which is the tier system. So you can look it up by searching or by selecting from the menu down. As you can see, इसमें सारे नज़र आ रहे हैं occupations of different kinds with different 5-digit code. So जो भी आपकी occupation है उसके हिसाब से कर सकते हैं. So I'm just gonna search, for example, user tech support technicians, and uski hai 2221. So we're just gonna go with that, and as that's the field I'm going to be applying for. Once that's done, we're just gonna click on next now, and after clicking on next, we're just gonna wait, and now it's just asking you to have a certificate for your Canadian province or territory. If you have a certificate, you click on yes. If you don't, you just click on no. So if you need more information on it, you can always click on the question mark. So I'm just gonna click on no for this because I don't have a certificate. Just gonna click on no, and then we're gonna click on next. Then after clicking on next, now it's asking you all these questions. इनके पहले से answer होने चाहिए if you have submitted the profile already. So just make sure the answers are correct and not incorrect. So once that's done, now it's gonna bring you back to the 5-digit no code wala option, and now we're gonna select the no code again according to whatever you're applying for. So as I said before, I'm gonna go and select user support technician, just go ahead 2221, and I'm just gonna make sure all the information added is still correct. So I'm just gonna go over all that, and once I am good with that, we're just gonna make sure, and then finally we're gonna click on next. Also, before clicking on next, as you can see, there's a no code डालने का जगह again, and we're just gonna click on that again, looking for my NOC position, which is 2221, and there it is. Just gonna click on that, and now I'm just gonna pre-read the information that's been there, and I'm just gonna make sure that every information that's added is correct. As I saw while reading, I got a mistake here. I saw कि किसी चीज़ का आंसर ना गलती से मैंने yes की जगह no लिख दिया था. So I'm just gonna make sure to correct that as well. And this is just going over all the questions. It tells you कि क्या है. If you have doubt, always click on the question mark. If you need more information on what the question is asking for, like for this one, has been working full-time for an employee on their current work permit. So इसका answer yes होना चाहिए था, but somehow it was no. So we're just gonna fix that instead. And after fixing that, we're just going to make sure that the answer is correct on this. Just gonna put it as yes. And after putting yes, now I'm just gonna check the other things and just gonna click on next again. After clicking on next, now it's gonna ask you all the work history. So if you have already added the work history, it should be done there. So इसके लिए simply आप बस modify करेंगे. So it's just gonna click on modify. So ये मेरी position में फिर आएगा 5-digit no code. Just add the no code. Just इसके लिए I'm just gonna go and use 221 user support technician, and just simply click on save. Once that's done, so we're just gonna scroll down, save and add. And the similar way, we're gonna add it to the two others as well, which would be so it depends on how many jobs you have had in the past. So idhar teen hai, so in teenon ki update hongi according to that. So now this was a different position, it wasn't a technical position, ye थी retail की position. So इसकी knock code के बारे में मैं sure नहीं थी. So we're just gonna update that. And now this is a retail position. So in order to update that, we're just gonna go to modify as well. But I need to make sure कि इसकी 5-digit knock code क्या होगी, क्योंकि मुझे इसकी regular knock code भी नहीं पता. So वो करने के लिए I will go to search. So what we're gonna do is हम पहले मैं बस ये सारी information read कर रही थी in order to see what it says. Once that's done, I'm actually gonna go to Google and search for it, because you can't really find, you can find here if you have the time, but it's gonna take a while. So there's an easier way to it, which is just go to Google and type no code Canada, and then you just search. And सबसे पहला वाला जो आएगा, you just click on that. Once you click on that, scroll down. So as you can see, सारे tiers का दिखा रहा है, and it shows कि क्या what each tier means. And then finally, when you scroll down, it shows you the NOC as well. So I'm just gonna click on the NOC under 2021 classifications list. फिर ये list खुलेगी on the new tab. I'm just gonna go ahead and check out the list. So अभी यहाँ पर I'll search by the job title. तो मेरी job थी key holder position. So I'm just gonna type in key holder and search. इस तरह से it's gonna show you the exact NOC code that it would be. So NOC के हिसाब से it's a 6211, but now we need to convert that to a tier. So in order to do that, इधर filter में ही same will write the name, not the key holder. इधर हम यूनिट ग्रुप का नाम लिखेंगे जो है रिटेल सेल्स सुपरवाइज़र. तो पहले जैसे कि यहाँ सर्च करेंगे तो ये इधर ये दिखा रहा है. अब इसी तरह हम दूसरे पेज में जाएंगे जो टेयर्स दिखा रहा है सारे, और यहाँ पर हम जाके सर्च करेंगे रिटेल सेल्स सुपरवाइज़र. सो एज यू सी आई टाइप्ड, एंड ये है कोड इसका न्यू वाला जो है 62010. So I'm just gonna simply look up that code in this list, and we're gonna just look it up and update it to 62010, which is the retail sales supervisor. Once that's done, just gonna confirm all the information to make sure everything's been added correct. Save and add. Now everything's modified on this page. Now we're just gonna click on next. Now after clicking on next, we're just gonna see all this information as well. Just make sure कि आपकी information correct है. And once you're satisfied with it, we're just gonna click on save and exit. Now it's not completed yet, we still have to do another step. So once that is done, we actually have to so basically what happens is कि यहाँ पर आपने अपनी information update कर दी है, but it's not been transmitted yet. So in order to transmit it, what we're going to do is, as you can see, there's a button at the bottom which says continue. We're gonna click that. What that does is वो आपको continue करेगा, and then it's gonna ask you to sign this application again, and we're basically gonna resubmit the application with the new NOC codes. So the NOC code is basically ये नया NOC code है tiers का. So there's like tier 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the eligible tiers are 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you come under these, you can apply for your Expressentry. And then the same goes with the previous NOC code, which everybody knows about, which was 0EBC. So that's basically it. And now we're just gonna click on continue, and that way we will be able to update the profile, और फिर वो resubmit हो जाएंगे. As just make sure you're doing this, because as you have gotten the email from Canadian Immigration that it's compulsory कि अगर आपकी application अभी तक submit नहीं हुई है 16 November से, you have to update it, वरना आपको ITA नहीं आएगा even if your scores match. So you need to make sure that you're doing that. and you can always look onto these websites for NOC positions and see what matches your position, so that way it's more accurate. You don't have to go it with your head. So you put in tier की detail दी हुई है, so tier 0 में advertising है, tier 1 में software engineers, and so on. So you can always go ahead and read that. I'll leave the link of this website in the description box as well, so you can check that out. And okay, so now we are all done here, so we're just gonna click on continue basically. So while that's done, now it's basically gonna ask you to declare an electronic signature करना. So just add your first name, your last name, and answer the security question. So once you're done that, we're just gonna click on sign, so that way you're just signing a declaration that you did it. That's done. And now we're just gonna click on transmit. So now you have completed your profile. It says congratulations, you have successfully submitted. Now we're just gonna go back. As you can see, that's the profile. I'm just gonna click on check full application just to confirm it's been completed. View your profile में click करेंगे. And once you click on view your profile, as you can see, everything has been transmitted. So this shows that you're good. Everything has been completed. जो भी progress में था. I hope you understood what the video was. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.